Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Visal Ahmed. In the previous two videos we have explored the port 21 and port 22, and now we will try to exploit the port 23, which is running the service Telnet with the version Linux Telnet D. So first of all we have scanned our target host, which is Metasploitable 2, and now we will use the MSF console, the Metasploit, to run our attack, to run the brute force. This attack is quite similar to the previous one which we have conducted on the SSH service on the port 22. Now we will brute force the port 23 using Telnet now. So first of all we will open the MSF console. Let's wait for this Metasploitable framework to available. So we will search for the Telnet having the login in it as well. So we will search Telnet with the option login. Login. Here are the bunch of exploits payloads we have. So I will use the number 5, which has auxiliary scanner telnet login. So I will go with the option 5. So I will use 5, right? Now we will check for the options. We have the requirements we need to run this exploit. So we have bunch of options with the descriptions. So we need the R host, which is the target host IP, and we will turn this stop on success to true. So the attack will stop once we successfully gain the credentials, and we will give the path of the user pass file. So let's set the user pass file and set it to home Kali desktop, right? Desktop, and then the pass.txt, this file, right? So we will use this file to brute force the port 23, right? So I will set this file, and now we will turn the show options. Now I will turn the stop on success to true, right? So I will set stop on success to true. And now we need to set the R host. So set R hosts to 150.1.7.15. That's it. And now we will run our exploit. Let's see which credentials are the correct. We tried root, the first one, the second, third, admin password, this one, and now login successful, MSF admin and MSF admin with the user in pass. So this one is the correct one, and now we will use the Telnet to log into our session, right? So we will open new terminal. We will use Telnet, the target IP address 107.15, and with the port number 23. So it asks for the login, so we will use these information. MSF admin is the username and MSF admin is the password. So we have successfully logged into Metasploitable machine. Let's see who am I. MSF admin, and what are the directories we have. So let's log in to Let's get into this directory. We have Samba, TikiWiki and TikiWiki 2003. Now let's check what we have in the MSF, in the Metasploit, sorry, MSF admin. So let's check cd, sorry, ls and cd vulnerable. Yes. So as you guys can see that both are same, MySQL Samba, and the one here, they both are same. So that's it guys, we have successfully brute forced the port 23. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.